required. Please subscribe to us. So, where'd everybody go? Looks like they're ahead of us.
Welcome back to HSN, the Head Shopping Network. As you can see, we are down to our last 3 minutes for Danielle Point 4. This beautiful model head. We only have 3 minutes left on the clock. Model 1801-N. Order now or you will miss out. Danielle Point 4 comes with this beautiful chocolate brown mane. Look at this collagen. You do not get this in the later models. These eyebrows were fashioned by Ming-Na Shou. She is the celebrity eyebrow stylist on 54th. You know you want this head. We have a buyer. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. Danielle Point 4 is sold out. Stay tuned for more great deals. Congratulations, little Voyager. Well, we have 15 minutes left. We have 15 minutes left. What am I going to sell? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have a last-minute addition. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new addition. The Karen Point 6 model is now available. Karen Point 6 is item number 1802.N. Price is now available for easy payments of $19.99, but if you do a bulk payment, it's available for $79.99. This model loves guacamole and very rarely gets headaches. It's a solid investment. Call now. Oh, we have a buyer. Okay. Well, it's been nice working for you here at the Head Shopping Network. I'll miss you all. Okay, bye. Bye, Bonnie. Don't forget I left the crock pot on. She's on the shelf. Should I
take the other?